Just as John.
Yeah. We're here, mate.
Arrived.
We're here, we're landed. This is probably the next day of the vlog. This is Saturday. It's weird because it's Saturday and I haven't been in the salon. But we're at the Pullman Hotel. Little Earthwater. Do you know who owns Earthwater? I think it is Will Smith's son. I think that's who owns Earthwater, Jaden Smith. But this is it. We get these, so 8:30. Please be ready on all days at 8:30. We get a little bag. Hello, beautiful. There's some bits in there. Joy-Con Demand Education. And then we've got a calling card, I think. Should we see what's in here? Oh. This is about, oh. Come on. A lip butter. What are you focusing, mate? A little lip butter. Raspberry. Oh, peanut M&Ms. Luster Lock. This stuff is so hard to get hold of at the minute. And then a little ring light. These are good. They're branded as well. Where are the batteries? These batteries. Little selfie light. That's what's in here. So me and Ian are going to head out. I might bring the camera with me actually. Yeah, I will. We're going to head out and get some food. What's the time? It's like 10:10, 10:15. So all the restaurants close at 11, but we found one that's open until 1 AM. So we're going to go there. What's that say? Oh, but yeah, this is the room. These are the rooms that we always stay in. They're really nice. Little shower and all that. There's the poop. And the best thing about these rooms is they all come with an iron. There's so many hotels that don't come with irons. It's ridiculous. But yeah. Right, I'm going to take you out with me so you can see, because we're going to go into Eindhoven. Yeah, I think tomorrow night after it all we're going to go out. So, let's go. He's here.
We're all here.
So, we're staying there. That's the Pullman. We've got the penthouse, which is just up there.
At the top.
Swimming pool on the roof. But this is our new favourite restaurant. It's called Mojo.
We'll be lucky if we get in tonight because it's late. And everything shuts at 10 o'clock and I ain't no in.
But red carpet. Oh,
no.
Mate, it is busy.
It's busy. Oh,
Very busy. Let's go up on the table.
I wonder if we can get in.
Yeah, let's see. Of like B-roll.
You haven't got a screen that pulls out from that one?
Yeah.
Alright. Is that the same one as I've got then? Or mine's bigger than that? Yours is like the more newer version, is it?
No, I've got a big one at the hotel. That's my main one. This is just a vlogging one.
Okay.
But it's just so light. Like,
It's pretty good, isn't it?
yeah. I like easy way, just like that. Just hold the lens and it's just balanced. Yeah.
22nd to 25th. Shut up.
Man, it looks lovely. So at the premiere, you've got to be like present. Thanks, sir.
Enjoy it. Thank you.
What is it? Sicilia. Would you rate it?
Would I rate it?
Yeah.
I thought it was really good. I thought they were really friendly.
Yeah, I know.
I would say I think the food was really good. Food was really fresh.
Yeah.
Good fresh pasta. Super friendly staff. I'm going to give it a good 9.5 out of 10.
Ah, same, mate. I was thinking 9.5.
Really?
Yeah, I was.
Yeah, just because they're so friendly and they were like, the food was really good and clean and the service was excellent.
But also for opening, we went in and said, is it still open? They said no. And then, hang on.
Yeah, they went back and somebody must have recognised the Paul, I think, and knew we meant business.
Yeah.
So we've just spent all of 40 euros in there.
Yeah, I know.
I wish we had spent no change.
No Dutch money.
I felt so
No
terrible,
euros.
no euros, to be able to give a tip.
No, I was looking in my wallet and I was like, oh no, I've only got. But no, yeah, lovely.
Oh, is that where the moths came from?
Yeah. The moth. Yeah. But yeah, lovely. Cecilia in Eindhoven.
Cecilia Eindhoven. Excellent
9.5.
9.5.
Yeah.
That was really good. And even on this really, really hot, on this really wet, miserable night, it was really good to be walking back in the rain.
Awful, mate, this weather. Wendy said it's supposed to be snowing this week.
Yeah, and the heating's off at the.
Yeah.
The heating's off at in Helmond.
Yeah.
At the it's changed its name.
Experience Centre.
Experience Centre.
Yeah.
Joyco Europe Experience Centre. The heating's off. They told us to wrap up warm.
I know.
Man.
I didn't really bring warm clothes. I nearly bought a big coat, but
mate, when you get to my age, you only ever wear warm clothes. I can tell you.
I just bought loads of t-shirts.
I've got loads of t-shirts. I've got a couple of hoodies.
And we're going gym in the morning.
Going to the gym, yeah.
Yeah.
Who's Jim again? Yeah, that'll be a laugh. We're going in the morning, and we're not going to go in the evening.
Well, we won't have time.
Right, okay. So we're up 7 a.m. No, 5 to 7. By the gym by 7.
Yeah, 7:30 done.
40 minutes done. Then shower, change, bit of brekkie.
Yeah.
What's happening here then?
And then experience centre for some training.
Yeah. We're going to do all the revival stuff.
Should we? No, it's a bit late. I was going to say, should we go bar and do a live? We always do a live when we get here.
Let's go to the bar and do a live.
Okay.
Let's do a Frangelico and a live.
Well,
let's introduce everybody to Frangelico.
Oh, I don't want to do a shot.
It's not a shot.
It's
a nightcap, a pet teeth type thing. It's just a nightcap.
All right. We'll reconvene at the bar.
Well, I can't even get any post now because you can't. In the UK, they can't send post overseas, so I can't even get any post.
Yeah, the system.
That's okay, mate. I'm not going to stitch you up. Where are you going to sit down?
And this is exactly what our Quadramine complex does. Not just with any kind of keratin, but with a keratin protein type that is as close as possible to the one
we need
found
to
in
first
green
close
hair.
the cuticle, that it will hold everything that we push in the hair. You leave that for 5 minutes.
All right, I won't get you in it.
All right.
Out of the way, out of the video.
So when you have, this is the color treated hair, this is pre-lightened, and what will happen is that you will see this. So it starts leaking your color pigments. And what we are doing then is we put the lipids back on the hair in this way, and then I protect it and I will keep the color inside the hair. So that is basically how it works.
So when you've got the thick the thick coarse hair one, it's a lot more, it's like I don't know what the actual ingredient is, but there's more of a waxy base to it. It's much heavier than the fine to medium. This is more watery. So I'm guessing that is more water based than this.
And I made about the vlog if you heard Libby.
No, I didn't say anything. Whoop. What's nearly there?
That's right.
Oh, it's there. Hey everyone, so this is just a message just to say thank you so much because I've hit 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. It's Friday, it's a week. Oh, you'll be able to hear this storm. So it's a week to the day that I hit 100k, and we're now like 1,000 and something over it already. So the subscribers are already going. What am I saying? They're already building up. But this is just a bit of the vlog this week, just to say thank you so much for everyone that's subscribed to the channel. We've hit 100,000 subscribers. Like I said in last week's vlog, it was something that I never really expected I would hit. It was a goal, definitely, but so soon, I never thought I'd be hitting it. So yeah, massive thank you. This is the family. They sent these in on Wednesday into the salon. 100K. 100,000 subscribers.
Is that what you said?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh yeah.
My sister. Do you want to be in the vlog?
Not like this. I've got tan on.
She's got tan on.
For tomorrow.
For tomorrow. We're going out for dinner. We're going to celebrate.
Don't tell them. They might follow us there.
Oh yeah, the paparazzi. They've been trying this. No, this goes up on Sunday.
Oh.
So that nobody will know.
Okay.
So yeah, paparazzi won't know we're there. Evening Telegraph have been trying to track me down.
Just put your sunglasses on just in case.
Oh, I nearly bought some new sunglasses at the airport. Tom Ford.
Did you?
Like big chunky ones.
Now that you're at 100K, that you've got a
Just-
undercover.
Yeah. That hat, global.
Yeah.
But I might get them when I go again.
Mm.
I just want some good sunglasses.
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I'll wait till December a bit more.
Yeah. I just want them to hide my tired eyes in the morning. So it's Friday, like I said, a week after I hit 100,000 subscribers, and I've been in Holland with Joico Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, back in the salon Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, back in the salon tomorrow. We're going to go for a celebratory dinner to Zizi's, and then on Sunday I'm flying again. So just a bit of a breakdown actually, because I filmed some bits in Holland, but filmed it on my phone, so I'll put it over the top of this. It was like presentation. No, it weren't really presentation skills. It was basically what they want us to deliver for 2023, and it was like programs. So Lumishine, retail, aftercare, Vero Colour, and then it was like not Blonde Life, because that's what we're doing this coming week. We talked a little bit about the lighteners, but that's what we were doing. So, and then we went out for 2 really nice dinners. First was at Godfather's, I think it was called. Had a really nice steak. I'll put it in here so you can see. It was massive. And then on the Monday. When was it? Yeah, Monday night, we went to Lust. I think that's how they pronounce it. Luzt. And we had a 4-course dinner. First was a goat's cheese and beetroot lollipop topped with olive. The second dish was the worst. I think it was like raw herring with an eel mousse. God, it's awful. And then the third was a custom made Prosecco drink. Unbelievable. I can't remember what the flavour was actually, but it was amazing. And then third course, that cocktail thing was just like in between. Then I had veal with gingerbread gravy, a gingerbread crust, and then with some like veg. And then the dessert was a homemade Bailey's Magnum with coffee foam, and then I think like a strawberry jam or something like that, or coulis. It was lovely. So yeah, that's that. And then the final day was when Joico also, they got me some of these 100K balloons and a bottle of champagne. And yeah, that was the final day. They got me that on the first day I walked into it, but the final day you'll see this. That was me explaining what it is. So, shall I take my camera tomorrow night?
Yeah, can do.
So you'll see a little bit of Zizi's, what we get up to. I'm really looking forward to it. I love Zizi's. Pizza is my thing. What are you going to have?
Probably pizza.
Oh yeah, veggie pizza.
Yes. Because I'm a vegetarian.
She's vegetarian. I'm going to go for meat. Chipotle. Chicken. I might actually. Although they do a lovely ravioli, pesto ravioli, if it's still on the menu.
Really?
Mm.
I never sway. I'm just a pizza. If I go to an Italian,
I love pizza.
I'm going pizza.
Or steak. If they do steak, I might have a steak.
Not sure if they do. Check the menu.
Oh,
They do sea bass.
don't want sea bass. What are you laughing
If
at?
you want to do it,
Kick his ass, sea bass. What's that from?
comment below.
Comment below. And then yeah, Sunday I will be flying again. Sunday night. So off to Amsterdam Schiphol again. But not all the team, a lot of the team. Me, Ian, David, Katrina, Valentina, Daniela, I think that's 6 of us, are going to meet at the airport. We're going to get the fun bus to Eindhoven, to the Pullman. So, yeah, that's been the week. I wanted to get more footage from the training, but I wanted to also look as if I was concentrating. So I didn't film as much as I would have liked. But there's bits. Me and Ian went for a nice Italian,
Did you?
and I filmed us walking around the street, just talking about it. It was lovely.
Nice.
They were going to close, and then when they seen the camera, they went, oh, sat us down, and they come over.
And that's when you put your glasses back on.
Yeah. And then they said, YouTube? And we're like, yeah, he does YouTube. Point at Ian. Ian does YouTube.
He does.
I know. I put a thing up today. Did you see it on Instagram?
No.
And it was the new Logan Paul and KSI, me and him.
We'll be boxing soon.
Yeah,
Have your own prime drink.
yeah. But for hairdressers,
Yeah, what would it be called?
bleach.
Sounds tasty.
Yeah. Right. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.